What if the reason you don't feel abundant isn't because you don't have enough, but because your brain is constantly looking for what's missing? Not sometimes, not when things are actually wrong, all the time. So think about this. You wake up, and before anything has even happened, your mind starts scanning. What do I need to fix today? What am I behind on? What could go wrong? And even if your life is objectively fine, it doesn't feel fine. Now, we assume if I feel like something is wrong, something must be wrong. But what if that feeling is just a habit? Your brain is wired to solve problems, right? That's not a flaw. It's how humans survived. But here's the part no one talks about. When there is no real problem, the brain doesn't just relax, it creates them. You could actually have a stable job, food in your fridge, and no immediate crisis. And your mind will still go, yeah, but what about the future? Is this really enough? Shouldn't you be doing more? And this is why so many people struggle with abundance. Not because abundance isn't there, but because the mind is constantly filtering for lack. You can't feel abundant if your attention is trained to notice what's missing. Abundance isn't just what you have, it's about what you're able to notice. And if your brain is stuck in problem solving mode, you'll overlook most of what's already working in your life. So I'm not going to give you another technique to fix this, because that would just be another problem to solve. So instead, try this. Just start noticing when your brain is looking for a problem. Just notice. So today, pause and ask yourself, is anything actually wrong right now? Not in the future, not hypothetically speaking, right now. And you might notice something surprising. A lot of the time, the answer is no. Now, that doesn't mean your life is perfect, but it does mean you don't have to live in a constant state of searching for problems. You're not here just to fix your life. You're here to experience it. So today, don't try to improve your life. Just notice it without looking for what's wrong and see what changes. Now, if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.